This is epic nerf battles. So we've got 3 contestants: Elliot, who is right there, Jack Mumford, and the YouTube host, Jack Oliver, and me, host MindGang11 or Jaden. They're just doing Fortnite enough. Jack has got 3 guns. At least give one to Elliot. Oh God. So guys, we should move. Elliot has lost his gun. Oh, we met in the everyone's met in the arena. Just tell me if you get hit, you have to be honest. By the way, when you die, you drop your gun. Yeah, no swearing or you lose a life now. Oh, Elliot's lost a life. Elliot lost 2 lives because Jack shot him again.
I'm dead.
Okay, drop your gun. Elliot, toss your gun. Okay.
Try using another gun. It has no bullets in it.
Somebody can pick up Elliot's gun. Oh! By the way, if you have any spare bullets at the end, Jack, can I have them? If they're not in your gun. Like, your main gun. Oh, Jack's not shooting. Okay.
No, gun blocked.
What?
It hit my gun here.
No, it hit your hand.
Fine.
Okay, 2 and 3. Okay, 2-2. So we got Jack versus Jack here. Okay, 1-2. I don't know.
No, don't hit me.
I'll just make it 2-2 then. I'd quickly load up your gun. Oh!
Hit.
2-1. Ooh. Oh! I'm pretty sure that was a hit.
Yeah.
Okay, Jack. Okay. Phoebe brought a Nerf gun. Jack, oh, she just got your Nerf gun.
Oh, why was that same?
Which one can I? That's no, Jack. That's yours. That's yours.